Hi viewers, today we've installed an Android infotainment system in Kia Carens. It's a 2GB RAM, 16GB player, MTK variant, smooth touch. So let's hear from our customer, Samrat ji.
Hi guys, Samrat here. I heard about Lakshman Auto on webmail. Okay, I got some links. I checked their website. I checked their site, and then I contacted Siddharth and came in to check out the prices. I found them very conducive, very good pricing, very good service, good in approach, good attitude to towards the customer. Very happy with whatever systems they have put in. And of course the guys who worked with me for the entire system installation, they were very nice, and they knew their job and they finished the job very fast. Overall I would say 5 out of 5 for their satisfaction level.
Thank you.
I highly recommended to come and approach them for your set of accessories and systems that you want. Okay, they will make you very comfortable. Thank you.
Thank you, Samrat ji.